Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo codes for Cebu Pacific so you can save money on your next flight. So first, take note, Cebu Pacific usually does not always release permanent promo codes. Instead, they often use seat sales, flash deals, and automatic discounts that are applied during booking. So don't worry, there are still ways to find valid promo codes and discounts. So first is you just have to go to the official Cebu Pacific website or application, and then you can follow their Facebook or Instagram and email newsletter. This is where they usually announce seat sales and promo alerts first. So just have to sign up for updates. So you just have to create my Cebu Pacific account and subscribe to email promos. Okay, so make sure to apply for email promos. And then mini discounts are sent only to registered users or members, especially during flash sales. And then you can look for partners promo codes. Sometimes promo codes come from travel partners like booking platforms. For example, some third party sites offer codes and for limited discounts during checkout. So just have to be careful and always check if the site is legit. Okay. And here, as you can see, we have sales and group bookings. Okay, so let me just go back here. All right. And of course, most Cebu Pacific promos are actually seat sales, not code based. So this can give huge discounts on flights, sometimes even 1 peso base fare deals during special promos. So you can book early during announcements, travel on off peak dates, and then check the app versus website. Sometimes different prices appear, and then combine the promos with a travel fund if available. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.